Hello everyone. So today we are just going to learn that how we can create pop-ups in our WordPress website using Elementor, and we will see that how we can also place the pop-ups in buttons so that when someone click on button, the pop-up how the pop-up will appear. So first of all, the necessary thing we have install the Elementor. After that, we need to look for Elementor templates, and after that we can make our pop-ups. So I have seen under Elementor there is templates, and below saved templates there is option pop-ups. I'll click on this one. I have already created one, but to show you I'll create another one. So I'll click on add new, and make sure under here selected pop-up, and below that name your template. We can give any kind of name, like I can write second pop-up, second pop-up. Okay, so after we need click on template, we can also give some other name, whatever you want. So after giving name, the Elementor will load, and then we can start with our template that are provided from the Elementor, but we are not going to do from there because we need to design that from custom. So if you have pro version, so you can easily install or insert any template which you like from here, but I'll just cancel out this one and I'll create my on. Okay, as we can see different widgets that Elementor provide. So we can choose any one to put that in our website. Like we can insert sections, heading, media, and everything which you have there in your Elementor. But I have already created a get a quote form in Fluent form. So I will use that shortcode only. And if you don't know how to create forms in Fluent form, I'll give that link in I button so you can view from that also, as well as you can learn that how we can create a booking website with Fluent form. So I'll search for shortcode and also shortcode. So there is also a fluent form option. I'll just drag and drop this one, and after that I'll select the form that is blank form, subscription form. I think this one was the form which I created. Yeah, this one. So I want to show this form. After that, I'll click on publish. After that, you have to set where you want to display this form. So need to add condition if you want to display this form. So mean that when someone arrive on your website and you want that they should seen something in a pop-up form. Like we have many sites visit in Google who show pop-ups. So not necessarily we are using only pop form. You can use anything to show a welcome message, but I'm going to show this one only exclude entire site. That means I will include this pop-up in a button. So I don't want that when someone load our site this pop-up appears. So I'll click on next. After that, on page load, I'll click on I'll not click on any option. So if I click on page load, so whenever site will open, that pop-up will appear if I make that include, but I don't want. So I therefore I will disable this option, and after that next, and after that close this one. It will take some time and our pop-up is live. So after that, I'll just click on here and exit to dashboard. Now we will learn that how we can put our pop-ups in buttons. So first of all, I'll visit this site, and we need a location where we want that pop-ups. So I want to put them in Africa's Ferris tours. So I'll open this one. Okay, so we will put these buttons just below these, like this section, top Safari country. So I'll click on edit with the Elementor so that I can place two buttons, and on those buttons we will set our pop-ups. So whenever someone click on that button, pop-up will appears. So that's easy. Okay, so Elementor, we can see that page is open in Elementor. So just here, I would like to insert my buttons. So if I go into buttons and this one, before placing button, I will use a section to place buttons. Okay, so in both sections, I'll put one button and I'll just make this duplicate. And no, we can also make inline to make them inline, but that will take some time. So and just I would like to make them. Now how to make this button in right side? So I'll just click on here, click at here, and in advanced setting I give them little top margin so that don't look sticky. Okay, I click on this one, I'll write pop up one, and okay, and after clicking at this, I'll write pop up 2, not this one. Okay, so now these are the buttons. So always we put links in our buttons. So how we can put pop-ups? So if we can see, there is a setting option, not this one, dynamic tags. After this one, click on pop-ups. Under action you can see pop-ups, just click on that. And after that we can see this wrench icon, and if I click here in search, so there are open or close. So we need to select pop-up from here. So which pop-up we want to show here? So we had two pop-ups, that is second. So we need to just give the first letter of that pop-up, so that the Elementor will search for that and they will display to us, so that we can select from here. So I'll click, yeah, here is that is second pop-up, and when I click on this, after that I'll just click on update. So this pop-up will be implement on this one. So let's have a look, is it working or not? So I click on I button to preview our changes. Okay, so here when I click on this one, this is not working. Okay, sorry, that was the second button pop-up. So if I click on this one, we can see a pop-up that we have created. So that's it, how we can create a pop-up. So for second button, for this button, I'll just click on this one, setting, sorry, dynamic tags. After that, pop-ups, and after that, click here. And that was I have to check what was the name of the first pop-up. So that is I need pop-ups. So that is inquiry pop-up. So I'll just write from all, I'll write inquiry. So here it is appear inquiry pop-up. So I'll click, and after that update. So very easily we have set up our pop-ups on both buttons. So now we can design our what we say, our pop-ups, and also we can design our buttons from Elementor. So that's it. See you in our next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends. Take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.